Learning math can be hard. As many as 35% of students struggle with math, and the reasons are clear. Students need to be organized and focused, and to be able to work through multiple steps to find a solution. For students who struggle with math, today's online learning tools are not working because students cannot focus on individual steps or demonstrate how they came up with their answers. It can be even more difficult for students with learning differences. Meet MathShare from Benetech, a free and inclusive problem-solving tool that empowers students to show their work. With MathShare, students can break problems into parts and focus on solving individual steps. Here's an example. Solve for x. 7x minus 12 equals 2. After adding 12 to both sides, the student solves for 7x equals 14. Using MathShare, the student divides both sides of the equation by 7 and can add the step and explain their rationale with a note. MathShare will clean up the problem, and the student can send the answer, steps, and rationale to their teacher. MathShare's step-by-step approach helps students to organize and focus, and lets students explain their rationale. It also helps the teacher, who now can see not only a student's answer, but also how they got there. MathShare works conveniently with the tools and platforms schools and students already use, and includes built-in accessibility features for students with learning differences. MathShare is free for teachers and students to use. Get it today and help make learning math easier for all of your students.